Greetings, developers. My name is Marco, Solutions Engineer here at FastSpring. Today, we're going to be talking about how to integrate FastSpring Store Builder library within React applications. This will enable you to use customized checkouts tailored to your store unique needs. This is what we're aiming for, a really simple web store with a secure checkout process integrated directly within your React application. Now let's break down how to do it. React power lies in its simplicity and modularity, offering a seamless way to build dynamic web and mobile applications. Today, we're going to leverage that power to enhance your e-commerce solution. Integrating third-party services like FastSpring traditionally meant appending the script directly into the HTML. However, for React, we advocate for a cleaner, more integrated approach. By using the React hook use context, we create a wrapper around our application. What this wrapper does, it appends by itself the script on top of the HTML, ensuring the access to all SBL capabilities. This method ensures that FastSpring Checkout is seamlessly integrated without the complexities of manual script handling. Observe how our application integrates the checkout process. The checkout is smooth and user-friendly. Following this approach, you ensure that your application remains sleek and performant, with the added advantage of FastSpring's secure and comprehensive e-commerce capabilities. That's a wrap on integrating FastSpring within your React application. For the full code and live demos, check out our GitHub repository, where you can clone and experiment with the build yourself.